My name's Remington. I'm going to go in first grade, and we live in Chesterfield, and we're going to go in what state, Mom?
Virginia.
Virginia. Mom.
And where'd we just come from?
Oh, from Braylons.
What state do they live in? Starts with a W.
Ends with a what?
N. Starts with a W and ends with an N. Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. Why didn't you tell me?
Who all did we visit while we were there?
I think two big boys. I don't remember their names, but they kind of looked like twins almost.
Carter and Andrew?
Yeah, Carter and Andrew.
They're your second cousins.
They are?
Who all stayed at the house? Who lived at the house we were visiting? Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah, why wouldn't they?
And who else? The babies?
Yeah, the babies and my Aunt Braylon.
How old's your Aunt Braylon?
Huh?
How old is your Aunt Braylon?
She's 7.
When will you be 7?
In January 19th.
It's the 29th.
29th.
You always say the 19th. And you said you're going into first grade?
Yep.
So then you'll switch schools and then go to first grade at the next school too?
Is that first grade or what?
Yeah, because it'll be the middle of the school year.
Oh, is it like preschool?
No, it'll be just like first grade. Just at the next school. What do you like to do for fun?
Oh, ride my bike and do front wheelies.
Yeah?
Wheelies on it.
What else? Camping?
Oh yeah, camping and making a fort with my little brother downstairs, because we make a huge one. It went to our monkey bars, which we built it on, and to the couch, which we built it to the couch and in front of the couch.
Yeah. And what do you like to do while you're camping?
Oh, eat marshmallows.
What else?
Oh. Play inside. My mom just forces us to play outside. She never lets us play inside.
In the trailer? Yeah, you have to play outside when we're camping, huh?
Yeah.
So you get the fresh air?
Oh, we get a bug bite.
No.
And there's never fresh air. It's always sunny days. Why do we have to go on sunny days?
Because it's nice out. Because there's not a lot of sunny days where we live. And what do you think about going into first grade?
It's going to be very hard because our teacher in, I think, preschool?
Your kindergarten teacher?
Yeah, my kindergarten teacher told us about it, and you have to tie your shoes, which I can't.
Why not?
I don't know, because once when you do the loops part, it can get tricky from there.
Yeah, what else are you going to have to do in first grade?
Oh, read, which I can almost read.
Yeah, you can read a lot of words, huh?
Yeah, but not when they're bunched up in little ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the books like Emmerich reads?
Yeah, those ones are very difficult.
Yeah.
No.
All right, can you say bye to everyone? Say bye-bye.
Bye.
So they can hear you. All right.